Subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, we will learn about the problems of continuity. In this problem, the given function is continuous at point x equal to 0 and we have to find f of 0. As compared to previous question, this question is quite difficult. The question is, if f of x is equal to e raised x square minus cos x whole thing divided by x square, comma, for x not equal to 0 is continuous at x equal to 0. Find f of 0. Now let's see the solution. First of all, the given function f of x is continuous at x equal to 0. Therefore, by using definition of continuity, we have limit x tends to 0, f of x is equal to f of 0. Therefore, limit x tends to 0. Now here x tends to 0 means x not equal to 0, and at that time f of x is defined as e raised x square minus cos x whole thing divided by x square. And that equal to f of 0, which is our question. Now here, to solve such a type of limit, we have to use following rules. First one, limit x tends to 0, e raised x minus 1 upon x is equal to log e, and log e means 1. And secondly, we use rule limit x tends to 0, sine of x upon x is equal to 1. And third rule is limit x tends to 0, cos x is equal to 1. So now in present case, we have limit x tends to 0, then e raised x square minus 1 then plus 1, and the second term is minus cos x whole thing divided by x square is equal to f of 0. So the next step will be limit x tends to 0. Now here the given limit we have to separate into two limits. The first one is a limit x tends to 0, e raised x square minus 1 whole thing divided by x square, bracket complete. and plus the second limit is limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos x upon x square. And that equal to f of 0. Now the first limit gives us log e, that is 1, plus limit x tends to 0. Now 1 minus cos x. So by using Trigo formula, we get 2 sine square x upon 2 upon x square, and that equal to f of 0. Therefore, 1 plus, here 2 is a constant term, we take outside the limit. So limit x tends to 0, sine square x by 2 upon x by 2 the whole square into x by 2 the whole square upon, we write x square as it is in the denominator, and that equal to f of 0. Therefore, 1 plus 2 into limit x tends to 0. Here we take square common from numerator and denominator. So we get sine of x by 2 upon x by 2 whole bracket square into. Now for these two terms we cancel x square from numerator and denominator. So we left with 1 by 2 the whole square, that is 1 by 4, and is equal to finally f of 0. Therefore 1 plus 2 into, now bracket gives answer 1, that whole square into 1 by 4 is equal to f0, and therefore we get 1 plus. Now here we go for cancellation, that 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So 1 the whole square gives 1 into 1 by 2. So we get 1 by 2 is equal to f of 0. Now on cross multiplying, we get 2 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to f0. So in this way, we get f of 0 is equal to 3 upon 2. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.